Hey there, car lovers, welcome back to QuizBot. Today we're putting your car design knowledge to the ultimate test. Think you can spot a supercar just from its curves, spoilers, and headlights? Then buckle up, because this is Guess the Brand by Their Sports Car Design Ultimate Challenge. So hit that like, subscribe, and rev that bell icon because it's time to play. Can you guess the brand of this fiery red beauty? Is it Ferrari, Alfa Romeo, or McLaren? Yes, it's Ferrari. This is the Ferrari F8 Tributo, sleek, sharp, and full of Italian flair. Here's a Raging Bull in blue. Boom! That's Lamborghini, the Huracan STO built to conquer the track with pure V10 madness. This one looks like it came from the future. What brand is this? Correct, it's Tesla. The Cybertruck's angular design is as bold as Elon's tweet. Let's go muscle. Is it Dodge, Ford, or Chevrolet? Yep, Ford. That's the Mustang Shelby GT 500. Look at this exotic machine. Can you hand me the brand? Wow, it's Pagani. This Utopia is handcrafted perfection. Classic silhouette, red stripes, can you name it? Of course, it's Porsche. That's the 911. Legendary handling and timeless cool. Speed Demons, this one's for you. Absolutely, Bugatti, a masterpiece with quad turbos and insane top speed. This red beast looks straight out of Formula One. Yes, it's Mercedes-Benz. The AMG one brings hybrid F1 tech to the road. Can you guess the brand from these model names? Supra, Land Cruiser, Yaris. Bingo, Toyota, known for reliable rides and a global fan base. Yellow, loud, and low. What brand is this? McLaren, Dodge, or Chevrolet? Nailed it, it's a Chevrolet. That's the Corvette Z06. Check out this futuristic ride. Yep, it's Audi. This is the e-tron GT, electric performance with German precision. Is it Lexus, Nissan, or Acura? That's right, it's Lexus. The LFA is rare, loud, and absolutely unforgettable. Now this is something different. It's Lightyear, a solar-powered EV designed for maximum efficiency. It may be compact, but it's got serious punch. Correct, Mini. The John Cooper is the wildest Mini ever built, racing DNA in a tiny package. Look at those curves and that hood scoop. Oh yeah, that's Mercedes-Benz. The SLR McLaren is a dream collab of style and speed. That tail is hard to miss. Is it Toyota, Honda, see Lexus? Yes, it's the Toyota Supra, a modern classic and fan favorite in the JDM world. A track monster in disguise. You nailed it, Mercedes-Benz again. The AMG GT Black Series is all about raw racing power. Can you guess this elegant beast? It's Maserati, Italian styling with a Ferrari-sourced roar under the hood. Red hot and razor sharp. Can you name this brand? Alfa Romeo. That signature triangular grille is pure Milanese aggression. And here's a sleek yellow rocket. Correct again, Lotus. The Emira blends exotic looks with lightweight performance. This one screams aggression and downforce. You got it, Lamborghini, the only V12 beast that's all about brutal performance. That rear end, instantly recognizable. Is it Porsche, Lamborghini, or BMW? Of course, it's Porsche. The Carrera GT is a manual V10 masterpiece and a collector's dream. No exhaust, just lightning-fast acceleration. Yay, it's Rimac. The Navara is an all-electric hypercar pushing the EV game to the absolute limit. Looks like a spaceship on wheels. Yep, it's Bugatti. The Bolide is a track-only monster that breaks all the rules. Is it Hyundai, Genesis, or Kia? Right again, Genesis. A red blur built purely for the track. Ferrari. The FXXK is a hybrid hypercar straight from Maranello's elite division. Old school rally hero alert. Correct, it's Peugeot. Is it Lexus, Cadillac, or Lincoln? That's right, it's Cadillac. The Futuristic is a handcrafted EV flagship made to impress. Looks like it drove out of a video game. Yes, it's Citroën. This wild concept was literally designed for Gran Turismo, and it shows. Aggressive and elegant all at once. Spot on. Bentley, the handcrafted Grand Tourer with major power. And that's a wrap, racers. If you had fun, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to QuizBot, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge. Got a favorite car from the quiz, or a score you're proud of? Drop it in the comments below, we're reading them all. Until next time, keep your engines running and your brains buzzing.